Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up fingerprint and PIN code security on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is where you'll find all the security options for your device. Once the settings menu opens, look for and tap on Security and Privacy. This section houses all the tools you need to protect your phone and personal data. Next, tap on Device Unlock. This option controls how you access your phone and what security methods are available to you. From here, tap Screen Lock to begin setting up your security. This is where you'll configure your primary unlocking method. Now you'll see several options for securing your device. Go ahead and tap PIN. A PIN code is one of the most reliable ways to protect your phone since it's both secure and easy to remember. Once you tap PIN, you'll be prompted to create your code. Input your desired PIN, then tap Next. Make sure to choose a PIN that's memorable but not too obvious, like avoiding simple sequences or repeated numbers. After tapping Next, you'll need to re-enter your PIN to confirm it. Type it in again and tap Confirm. This double entry ensures you won't accidentally lock yourself out by mistyping. After confirming your PIN, you'll see options for what you want your lock screen to show. This includes things like notification content, sensitive information, or a completely blank screen. Choose the option that fits your privacy needs and tap Done. This setting determines what others can see on your screen even when your phone is locked. Now it's time to add your fingerprint for even faster unlocking. Tap Fingerprint, then input the PIN code you just created to verify your identity. This step ensures only you can add fingerprint data to your device. Once you're in the fingerprint setup, scroll down to the bottom and tap I agree. This confirms you understand how fingerprint data is stored and used on your device. After agreeing, the actual fingerprint registration process begins. Now place your index finger on the sensor and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll need to lift and place your finger multiple times so the phone can capture different parts of your fingerprint. The system will guide you through this, showing your progress as it maps your unique print. Take your time during this process to ensure accurate registration, which will make unlocking smoother and more reliable in the future. And that's it! You've successfully secured your Google Pixel 8 Pro with both a PIN code and fingerprint unlock. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.